Hi, I'm Joe Coberly, co-founder and former chair of the Association for Strategic Planning Government Community of Practice. I'm excited to be here today with Patricia Lustig, who has recently been named one of the 42 top futurist authors in the world. She's also managing director of LASA Insight Limited and serves on the board of the Association of Professional Futurists. On Wednesday, May 18th, at the Association for Strategic Planning's 2022 Global Conference, Patricia will be joined by her colleague, Jill Ringland, to provide a masterclass titled Data Fit for Strategy Formulation. And let me just repeat that, it's data fit enough for strategy formulation. This year's conference theme is Strategy in a Right Now World, and the event is fully virtual. Welcome, Patricia.
Thank you.
I've attended ASP conference many times, and I do this because I get inspired by the thought leadership, and I learn new approaches to staying strategic. And I always make new friends who share my interest in enabling a strategic future. I'm keen to know a little more about what we'll learn from you in your masterclass. Now, I don't want to take away from the sparkle of your masterclass, but I wonder if you'd mind sharing one or two things that we might find particularly surprising or illuminating.
I think the thing is our favorite saying, which is a trend until it bends. We'll explain what we mean.
I love that. Very good. Well, keeping our strategy in a right now world theme in mind, what should people expect to take away from your masterclass that will help them navigate the ongoing challenges we are experiencing in this volatile time?
Well, as we said, with a trend until it bends, we have to know when it's bending. So to do that, we think about challenging your assumptions. And we explore what that means and how you do it. And then we look at how you collect the right data. And the right data means not just the easy stuff, what we call lagging data, but also the leading data, which is much more difficult to collect. And perhaps it's qualitative rather than quantitative, but it also matters. And then we look at considering how what you find out from that data affects your strategy and how you need to tweak your strategy to come out ahead.
Very good. Now, you talk about challenging assumptions. Can you share one?
Okay. One of my favorites, and we have a few, is the assumptions that people make about population. Most people use the UN numbers, and I've just been to a DESA webinar, and they're still using the same numbers that say in 2100, the population will peak at 10 or 11 billion. And that is not true. There are plenty of people. Population is something that we can actually predict pretty well. And there are plenty of people predicting now that it is going to top out by 2040, so in less than 20 years, and it is going to top out at 9 billion at the most.
Oh, that's very surprising.
That means that afterwards, the numbers are going down.
Well, that's fascinating. Patricia Lustig, thank you so much for talking with me today. I'm really looking forward to hearing more about that at your masterclass, which will be presented live on Wednesday, May 18th at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, which is UTC minus 4 hours. And as a reminder, the ASP 2022 Global Conference is May 18 to 20. You can check out the full agenda and register to attend at www.aspglobalconference.org. And that's all lowercase with no spaces. I hope to see you there.
Thank you.
Thank you.